Durante refers to a period of time. Let's talk about this. Hi everyone, the word of the day is durante. Durante. This means during. It is a preposition and it doesn't have a plural form. Now let's see a few examples. He aprendido mucho durante este tiempo. He aprendido mucho durante este tiempo. Esta compañía ha crecido mucho durante 10 años. Esta compañía ha crecido mucho durante 10 años. Hiciste mucho ruido durante la película. Hiciste mucho ruido durante la película. Me quedé dormida durante el discurso. Me quedé dormida durante el discurso. No me dejaron usar mi teléfono durante el viaje. No me dejaron usar mi teléfono durante el viaje. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to go to smelessons.com where I have more useful information about Spanish. Also, don't forget that you can donate, and I'm leaving the link to do that in the video description down below. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!